Hey guys, I've got a 2002 Chevy Trailblazer here, and I'm going to show you how to change your turn signal bulbs, your brake light bulbs, your backup lights as well. And all you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver like so. So we're going to open this up here. And the first two Phillips, I've already pre-loosened them here, so the video will go faster. But you take these two out. And on the other side, there's no fasteners or anything. There's actually two metal pieces built into this assembly that click into some plastic bits on the frame. So depending on how old your car is, sometimes the plastic will already be quite loose, or sometimes these pieces can be stuck in there pretty good. So sometimes you have to take like a plastic non-marring tool, like a plastic wedge, and wedge it in there and pop this thing out. Now once you do have this removed, you can go ahead and disconnect it if you want. You just push down on this piece, and this connector is actually missing a plastic safety component. It's a lock that clicks in. You can just remove that. Sometimes they get lost or discarded like this one. Now with that disconnected, you can set this aside to a more convenient spot. And again, there are some more Phillips. This time there are 3 of them, and they can be in there quite good. These were really tight. And so you want to push down very hard with the tool to avoid stripping the head. But keep in mind, this is a plastic assembly, so you don't want to put so much force on it against something hard that might scratch it or crack it. Now this piece will come out. You can see the 3 bulbs here. They are all 2 filament bulbs, and you should just be able to grab them and pull them right out. That one is a 3157. That one is also a 3157. So I'm seeing a trend. All of the bulbs, whether they're backup bulbs or turn signals or whatever, they're all the 3157. So pop those out, pop in new bulbs. You'll want to inspect the terminals to see if they're blown or not. These look pretty good. You can also apply dielectric grease to the bulbs and also this connector here. And as far as installation, it's pretty much the reverse of removal. You're going to want to take care that you route this in such a way that it doesn't get damaged by these metal pieces. And you just pop the metal pieces in and then reinstall the Phillips there. So yeah, I hope this info was helpful for you guys. Please be sure to let me know if you have any questions, or more importantly, if you have any advice about changing the bulbs on your Trailblazer. One final note, I did inspect the third brake light, and it appears to be an LED unit, so we're not going to mess with that. But yeah, thanks for watching.